Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. It's time for another Dollar Tree DIY. You guys, this is going to be super easy. It uses the magnetic buttons. There's 12 of them. It uses the little marbles. What are they? Like kind of flat glass beads. There's a whole bunch of them. And then it just uses some, well, I'm going to be using some Designer Series paper. I thought this was really cute for a little kitty cat. Let me see here. I've also used some Sea Life, and here's the kitty cat. And then I've used some little dogs as well. So you could use whatever you'd like. You could have some Christmas paper. You could even use wrapping paper if you find something cute, maybe at the Dollar Tree. But I happen to have plenty of paper, so I'm just going to use that. And let's see here. Okay, all you're going to need is a 1-inch punch and some glue. You can get your glue at the Dollar Tree as well. They have really good glue. I'm just going to be using some art glue. And you're going to take your 1-inch punch, and we'll do this little cat right here. Cute little face. And then we will do this little guy here. And we'll do a dog bowl with a hand and a little bit of yarn. Just some fun. And then we will also just use another little piece here. And it has some nice words on the back. So love, paw, snooze, yawn, all the things a cat does. So we're going to take that glitter glue. This is quick and easy. This is so good for a like a little craft fair. Then we're just going to take our little glue there. We're going to make sure that glue gets all over the entire thing there. And this glue does dry clear, so it will be white for just a moment, but it will dry clear. So I'm just pushing that glue all over there. And then if you want, you could wipe off any excess that comes out. And then you just let that dry. And if you'd like, there is Mod Podge, which you can use instead of the glue, or you can use this to seal it as well. And we're just going to put all 3 of those on there. Let's see which one we want. Oh yeah, we want this cute little guy here. Now you can put it right on here if you'd like as well. Make sure you're getting it all over there. And then stick that right on there. You can also use a gift card if you wanted to really rub that in just like that. Again, clean off any excess. And just push that until you don't really see any air bubbles or holes. And we're going to let that one dry. And then our final one here. And they come out so adorable. Oh, I put that one on the wrong way. I'm going to just get rid of that one, because I definitely want the words there. So this one has meow written on it. That's cute. I already had one punched because I'm making a whole bunch of these. Like I said, these are great for a craft fair. So, and there we go. I already can't move it around. This stuff is so good. And then again, it's up to you if you would like to Mod Podge them. If you're making them just for your home, there's no need. This glue is really good and holds well. So we're going to put that one on there. We'll do the same here. And I do have these on my Etsy shop as well. And then I'll show you. They're still not done. But what I do is I just take a little piece of paper here, and I'm going to move those while they're drying. I'm going to cut this down to about 1.5 inches. Probably, yeah, it's about 4 inches or so here. And then I take my mini glue dots, and once it's dry, I don't know how dry it is, but I just take my mini glue dot, and that is when I just put that right on here. I'll actually stick that one right in the middle. And that's just a tiny glue dot that's going to hold these in place until they are purchased at the craft fair or on my Etsy shop. And then I take just some cellophane bags. This one is a 2x8. And I'm just going to stick that right in here. And it's so cute. And I know one of you asked how I do my magnets, and so I thought I would show you. I do read every comment that you guys put on my YouTube and on my Facebook. And when I see your comments, I do my best to answer them. So I'm going to go over here. I'm just going to get some of my ribbon. And I just think these are so adorable. You guys know I'm not very good with bows. That's why I like the crinkle ribbons so much. And now it's ready to get photographed, put on my Etsy. And again, if you'd like to purchase one of these or make them yourself for a craft fair, I mean, look how cute they are. They're all ready to go, and they just stick just like that. Alright, beauties, have a wonderful day. I hope you like this. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. If you like my Dollar Tree DIYs, let me know. And I will talk to you later.